This is one of my most favourite tools, and it's called a bowl adze. It's about 4 inches wide, 100mm, probably a bit less than that, but it's a bowl adze. It's for carving out bowls. Have to be a pretty big bowl, to be fair, to use that, or just curving wood, shaping wood. I use it for my job, and I shape up Adzes rails with it. You can get a long handled adze, one that you use on, you sort of stand up and use, and then you hold the rail with your foot. But I can hold the Adzes rail in one hand and shape it with this tool using this hand. Now, I've done some research on it, and I reckon it's got to be, I think, at least 100 years old, maybe 150 years old. I've seen one similar. I can't see any markings on it. I've had it a long time. There's a very faint mark just there, but believed to be French, maybe, possibly, but it's very old. But it's just a great tool to use. So if you do a lot of fencing, get yourself a bowl adze, a hand-held adze. I've got a square edge on this offcut of post, so I will just show you. You use it towards you. Already you can see it's made a nice sort of curve already with no effort at all. That's why I like to use it. It's lightweight, it's razor sharp. It could do with a sharpen. At the moment it's not that sharp. I've used this today on a job, but it's just one of my most favourite tools that I own, old tools, and I own a lot of vintage tools. I use this on a daily basis. It's not the original handle. It's got a bit of a split on it. So I am going to make a better handle for it to grip it better. But yeah, for something that's between 100 and 150 years old, very vintage. Very vintage and very, very effective. That's why I like to use it. I'm going to attach a video of a job we were doing the last couple of days, and my mate's using it. He hasn't used it much before, but he actually says he's getting used to it. He said he prefers it to a normal long handled adze. Just easier to use, more control. With the long adze, you could swipe into your shins. I've done that before, missed, but when I started to use one. But yeah, a very old, effective tool.